We're gonna go ahead and starting with the head here, you're gonna be working between rounds 8 and 9 of the head. We know the ears were crocheted in place in round 8, so I know this is my round 8 and this is my round 9. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you here. I also like to take the base where we kind of went out on this. I like to put that so it's going in. The horns look like they're kind of curling in a little bit. I'm gonna take these and place these in here just to put them in place, just to make sure I like where I'm sewing these in. Okay, I'm gonna add a few more here just to make sure this is held in place. Okay, I'm gonna take my other horn here and do the same thing. So again, I'm gonna want it kind of curled out like this. And I'm gonna take my stitch markers and hold this in place. Okay, so that looks good. This is where I'm gonna go ahead and start sewing these in. Okay, so now that I have these in about the place I want them in, I'm gonna go ahead, I've added my daring needle to this first yarn tail, and I'm gonna start sewing this in place. For the horns, I like to go around in a circle twice, and I also like to add a knot as I go. And as I start working around, I'm gonna go ahead and start pulling these markers out. And you want these just inside the ear, on top of the head. We're gonna be working our cow hair kind of in between these. So again, I'm gonna keep taking these out as I go around in this circle. Okay. And you wanna kind of sew into the stitch right under where that horn is being sewn in place. That's gonna help so you eliminate seeing the lines of where it's sewn in. If you see a couple of them, it's not that big of a deal because we will cover this with the hair. And I'm just gonna keep working my way around here. I'm gonna go ahead and actually add another knot in the back. Okay, and all the way around. So once that is sewn in place, it should look similar to this. Now that it's sewn in place, I do like to go around one more time, even if I'm not going into each of the loops. It's just gonna give it that extra stability of 1, staying upright, and 2, not falling out of the head. Knotting it will help with that also, but I like to go around a second time again, not even going into each stitch, maybe every other this time, but just making sure you've really got that locked in place. Okay, and then I'm gonna take this and just weave this yarn tail back through the head. And cut the excess.